So a friend of mine in the fish farm sent me an envelope with something special which marks our friendship. Thank you very much. I will open this envelope in due course. Stay with me. Letter.
Daddy, did you get the letter from the post office?
Yes, baby, I got it. I got it. It's from a special friend of mine in the States.
I want to see it. It looks good.
Don't worry, you'll see it in time. Let's
Daddy,
go.
here's the envelope.
Huh?
Here's the envelope.
Oh, thank you. Leanne,
Yeah?
I got this from somebody. I would like for you to pull it for me. You were so anxious in the car to pull it. Oh, when she was. Her hand is so feeble, she needs some more flour. Let me help her. Hold on a sec. Hold it. Right, okay. Right.
No, you have to.
Okay.
Don't cut it. Don't cut it.
Let's look at.
Let's see this.
Small.
Yeah. I told you.
I got a sticker from Aquafunk Angel Freak. Right? Like to say thanks for the sticker. Thank you very much. My dear friend Aquafunk, Mr. Funk, for the sticker. I appreciate it. I will place the sticker where which I probably can see it every day. Right? Appreciate it. Cool. Peace. Read that.